Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo V21e and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video, and if you can see this orangish color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see here, we've got the video resolution. We've got three different options from which we can choose. So currently we've got 1080p option applied. We can also pick 720p or 4K. So in order to change the resolution, we have to simply tap on the option, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Vivo V21e. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.